Hi, I'm John. To be quite honest, when I first came here, I came here under the illusion that someone was going to crack my back and it was going to get worse. What actually happened was I had a bit of an accident while on holiday and I put my back out and it just got worse and worse. My wife had been on to me to come for some time because she's been coming here for years with the kids, but I'd never come along. I was about the biggest sceptic about this. When I first came here, I could barely walk. The pain was intense and I came here as a last resort, and I'll be quite honest. Now, no problems at all. Would I recommend? Most certainly. From a sceptic to a convert, and a real big convert, I'm now back, well, better than I was originally. I can now do things I haven't been able to do for about 10 years. Definitely recommend.